Welcome to Hyderabadi Recipes Hub channel. Let's make Hyderabadi street style noodles. Take 200 grams of chicken, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chicken masala powder, 4 teaspoon corn flour. We will marinate the chicken first for making noodles. Mix it. Add 1 teaspoon soya sauce, 1 teaspoon tomato sauce and 1 teaspoon green chili sauce. Add 1 egg, then mix the egg into the chicken. Let's make sauce for the noodles. 1 teaspoon tomato sauce, green chili sauce and soya sauce and 1 teaspoon vinegar. Mix all this thing together. Our sauce is ready. Now let's boil the noodles. Add water in a pot, half tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of oil. When the water starts boiling, add 1 pack of noodles. Let the noodle boil. Till then, let's fry the eggs. Add 30 grams of oil in a pan. Add 3 eggs and scramble the eggs. After that, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. Our eggs are ready. Now take it separate. Then fry the chicken which we have marinated before. Take out the chicken after frying it for 5 minutes. Add 150 grams of oil and add 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. Add 1/2 cup of carrot, 1 cup of chopped cabbage. Then add 1/2 cup of shimla mirch, bell pepper. Add 1/2 tablespoon of salt, 1/2 tablespoon red chilli powder. Fry it. Then add 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. And then add that prepared sauce. 1/2 teaspoon MSG, Chinese salt or tasting powder, whatever you say. Mix it. Then add fried chicken which we have fried earlier. Then add boiled noodles. Fry it well. Stir it well. Then add 1/2 tablespoon black pepper powder. Add 1/2 tablespoon of lemon juice. Then mix it. Add scrambled eggs which we have prepared earlier. Fry it. Fry it well. Our street style Hyderabadi noodles is ready. Chicken and egg street style noodles is ready. Like, share and subscribe to my channel Hyderabadi Recipes Hub.